We have another listing, guys. This is 6.3 hectares or 63,300 square meters for 200 pesos per square meter, negotiable. Located in Barangay Bugang, San Miguel, Bohol. So this is Barangay Bugang, and it is along the river. It has rice fields and impounding coconut, assorted trees like mahogany. So again, the price is 200 pesos per square meter, negotiable. Kini nga yuta, guys, it's like an interior, no? Secluded. So, tawagon talanig secluded. So, there are few neighbors, no, around the area na ay mga neighbors na dili sa ingon nga kuan pero nagyod, no? Then, it has also a road right of way going in and out to the property because the adjacents are owned by their relatives po, no? Sila rin po yung mga tag-iya. So, the good thing ani, guys, kay kung gusto kang mag-poultry, mag-piggery, vegetables farming, or sa bagot farming ka, mag-face pan ka, mag-duck farming ka, okay yun kayo, no? Wala gyoy makabadlong, no? Wala gyoy mo kuan mo why mo gitawag og it's a good place for this kind of farming because of no neighbor, no, walay silingan. Then it has also deep wells, no, na yung mga tabay. Oh, you need to kuan na lang, imo na lang nang i-improve. You need to improve the deep wells, no? There are 2 deep wells. Then also there are farmhouses, no? Murag tulo ni kabuok ka farmhouse. Duha nagtapad, the other one nga wala is open. So nindot kayo, no? So advantage kayo ni nimo kung pananglitan if you are going to undergo to this kind of farming, cattle farming. Also, there's no neighbor, walay silingan. Na neighbor, there are neighbors outside of the property. You can see, no? There are houses gapon nearby, especially at the riverside. I think from the river to the outside of the property, it's around 50 meters away. There is already a neighbor, and this one also there is a neighbor upon entering to the property. So nagsulod din mo sa property na sa mga silingan. So this is really good investment or farming. So farming yun nga to diri majority. Gusto ka mag duck farm kay na impounding, mag goat farm, poultry, piggery. So nindot kayo, no, maka-income yun. Then from Tagbilaran City, it's more or less around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. Then from town proper narani sa mga more or less mga 10 minutes drive from town proper of San Miguel, Bohol. Then from airport, Panglao International Airport, same lang yapon, 2 to 3 hours drive. Then regarding the transportation, guys, usually single taxi gata diri or habal-habal, or you need to have your own vehicle or buy your own car, no? Katula pong pick up kay during the time nga mag-uwan na gyud, dangog na gyud ni, slippery. So nindot palit ka ng pick up nga 4x4, 4-wheel drive para dili ka makuan gyud malubong, no? Then you can plant more, no? Pwede sa ka mananom sa may gusto nimo itanom mga trees. You are going to plant trees more, no? Or coconut, banana trees. So as for me, this is a retirement place, a good place for retirement. Kay okay man gyud kayo ang location. Then there is another road, no, going to highway, going to Ubay. It's around 8 kilometers sa gyud, no? Ang rough road ani is 6.5, the rest up to the highway kuan na it's a concrete road. So nindot kayo ni nya. Soon to be concrete naman gyud ni tanan pohon can be a concreted road soon because of the improvements around. Murag daghan naman gyud pod ang gipang concrete dihan dapita. Gumikan sa project sa government of farm to market road. So ano siya guys, no? Ang rice field. Sa akong obserbaran, my observation, bigger portions are uplands. Dako gyud ang upland. And by percentage na to, more or less na as mga 70% ang upland. Then around 30% ra ang wetlands or wetland. So kuan siya, nindot ta gini siya pang akong balanse kung gusto lang gikang magpigiri dire, mag poultry or mag cattle farming, goat, nindot dire dapita. Then maka-relax you ka kay wa may silingan gud. You can have a relax because no neighbors, no, far from the kuan kanang mga noisy or sa mga saba, no. So far from the noise or kanang mga video karaoke tayo ra siya. So from here, no, from the property, so going outside around 200 meters, then going straight, which already the road, no, going to the barangay hall of Barangay Bugang, 1 kilometer yun guys, usa ka kilometro. Then Barangay Bugang, there is also a public school, elementary and high school manay na didto. Then they have also health center. So kuan kayo, no, okay na good. And there is also according to the lady in sari-sari store na naay transportation bus pero on schedule. Pero much better you can have your own transportation like car, motorcycle. Okay raman gyud kayo. So again, it is along the river, no, kita na to ang river. Ang nindot diri guys, ang para nako, no, akong recommendation, uso naman ron ang mag fish pond, no, farming nya tilapia ang ikuan. So dagko kay ka og mahimo kung if you are going to convert some portions of the land into a fish pond. Kay ang kuan, ang isda man god, the fish are ranging already at 150 pesos to 200 per kilo. So kung makahimo ka atong impounding pun ana lang to nimo, the fish pond, no, the one, kung imo na lang ang expand, wana dako ka og ma-income. So kuan gana guys, nagdepende na sa atong imagination in the future, no, improvements. So as you can see, this is the big plot, no. Ako gyud ang patag. Regarding sa gitawag og safety, actually wala, very peaceful magid ang lugar. Wala magid nay mga history. Okay ra gid kayo ta mamuyo diri. Okay ra gyud. So Bohol is a very peaceful place. Yeah, the majority are kuan magod tourism. So this is the center, no, mana ni ang sentro. Na public school, barangay hall, ano, dool ra gyud siya. Yan that road, no, kanang kini nga road, daghang mga balay, dagko kayo mga balay. So kuan na gyud, no, nga dagko na kay balay ba, maka kuan na gyud ka, maka imagine jud ka nga nag-improve or progressive gyud nga lugar kining Barangay Bugang. Although concreting is ongoing man, okay na gyud siya kayo. So again, the price is 200 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So mangyo pa. Then if you have properties for sale, just let me know. We'll help you sell your property. Ay lang pong mahala kaya rumata mabaligya po nato na magkuy ni forward diri mahala po dai pero maagyan yung presyo mo gitay mahimo. Pero mao lagi ang buyer ana asa ta kay considering Bohol is still a province, dili pa man siya ingon kuan gyud nya. Ang gobyerno sa Bohol kay majority ang ilaha ka ng tourism man gyud, wa man sila mo undergo ka ng mga industrial anay mga several portions para ng Hita, Buena Vista na ay shipyard ya Buena Vista Bohol, pero dili pa gyud pero while it's kanang affordable pa ang mga yuta, maybe I advise you you buy kay nindot masad kaayo ang mga kuan yuta sa Bohol, preferably kini nga lugar nanom ka dihag mga potito kanang gitawag na mo kamuti, sweet potato, bulanghoy o kasaba and many more income naman sana siya. Then nag-progressive na gyud, sooner or later magmahal na gyud po because of the improvements in Bohol. Imagine there are plans nga na ay airport sa Ubay, Bohol, which is adjacent of this town, San Miguel. Na kaya na mag-airport sa Ubay. Wa pa lang gyud ma-final na kay murag sa kay kulang ana. Kasi gina nagpadungog-dungog nga mag-operate na sila. Pero wala pa man gyud. Then nanay mga seaport na gani going to Manila, Basra. You can just have to ride a bus from Manila or from Ubay to Manila, vice versa. Naana diri guys. Mobaya na sila sa Ubay din Leyte. Then tuloy-tuloy na nato ngadto sa Bicol. Na. So ang Ubay na nay City Hardware pohon. Sige nagtrabaho. Ana. Yeah. Again, it's adjacent kay boundary man ning Barangay Bugang ug ang Ubay. Barangay Bugang San Miguel, boundary na sila. Then Trinidad also na ni mga college. Ang San Miguel pod na po'y coming college school. So you cannot discount nga dili mo increase ang mga prices mga yuta. Ilabin na nanay mga bagong tubo pod nga minyo. So ang yuta dili mo manganak pero ang mga tao rin manganak. So mo nay naka-advantage kung naa ka yuta mapalit. Yuta gyud the best investment gyud yuta gyud. So again, this property is located in Barangay Bugang, San Miguel, Bohol. The size is 6.3 hectares or 63,000 square meters at 200 pesos per square meter. Signal, why problema na. Okay, thank you.